Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing and totally free movie app to your Firestick in 2025. And the whole setup process is actually pretty easy too, and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. And you can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, we'll have to go to Search on your Fire TV, open the search bar. There we go, and now start typing downloader in the search. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because, as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to our device. But after we got downloader, it's not over yet because we still need to set it up. So now, to start the loader, we'll go to settings by clicking this little button with a gear icon, then scroll down a bit and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. Here it is, we open it. And now there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to France right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So what we're gonna do next is, of course, go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. Here it is, we open it, locate downloader, and open the downloader application now. And what we're gonna do in the downloader app now is open the search bar, and then in the search we'll be entering a code, which will be 59601. So it's once again 59601. That's the code you have to enter. Then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video, it truly helps me a lot. And that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now the download of the app has started. Usually takes only a couple of seconds, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click install and make sure that the app also gets installed to your Fire TV stick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, you'll open it, and here at the bottom you will find the app which we just installed. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and not have trouble online. Then feel free to open the app. And now in here, finally, you get access to loads of movies and TV shows from all over the world, including the newest movies as well, of course. I just had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.